earlier this week. And do you know what really struck out for me in that interview is when you guys were speaking about the fact that he was previously on the show in another life and he actually raised it. So I was like, I have to see this. So I have dug out the clip from 2006. The best thing is, Lorraine, as you always do, you predicted his success.
Did I?
Have a look at this.
I'm joined now by Jamie and David, collectively known as Sons of Jim. Well, look, you'll have to come back, because you're going to be huge, both of you. You are. You're going to be a phenomenon.
Right,
you heard it here first.
It's no coincidence the rain is gone. You